question. Have you ever heard people say gonna, wanna, kinda, or sorta and thought, wait, can I actually use these correctly in everyday conversations? Well, today we're gonna fix that. By the end of this video, you'll exactly know how to use them so your English sounds smooth, natural, and confident. Stay with me till the end. This is gonna help a lot. Okay, let's start with gonna. So, gonna is just a short form of saying going to. For example, instead of saying, I am going to watch a movie tonight, you can say, I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. See? It sounds much more natural in everyday speech. You never use gonna in super formal writing like essays or emails, only in speaking or casual texts. And here is an important thing. You cannot use gonna directly before a noun. I'm gonna the store. I'm gonna go to the store. A few more examples. She's gonna be late. We're gonna eat dinner now. He's gonna call you later. Pretty simple, right? Next is wanna. This is a short form of saying want to. For example, instead of saying, I want to go shopping, you can say, I want to go shopping. Be careful though. Just like gonna, wanna is only for speaking or casual writing. A very important rule. You cannot say he wanna or she wanna. He wanna play football. He wants to play football. Why? Because wanna only works with I, you, we, they. So always use the full form. He wants to or she wants to for third person singular. Some more examples. Do you want to play football later? I want to try that new ice cream place. When you speak fast, native speakers almost always say gonna or wanna instead of the full forms. It's part of how English flows naturally. Alright, now let's talk about kinda. Kinda equals kind of. It's used to show something is sort of, a little, or not completely one way. For example, I'm kinda tired today. It means I'm a little tired, not super tired. This movie is kinda funny. Means it's funny, but not hilarious. It's perfect when you don't want to sound too strong or definite. I'm kinda hungry. This coffee is kinda sweet. See how it makes your English sound natural and relaxed? That's what we want. Finally, we have sorta. This is very similar to kinda, also meaning sort of or a little. You can almost use them interchangeably. I'm sorta nervous about tomorrow. This pizza is sorta spicy. Not too much. Kinda is more common in American English. Sorta works too, but maybe slightly more casual or playful. And that's it! Now you know how to use gonna, wanna, kinda, and sorta like a pro in your everyday conversations. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and practical English lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, stay confident, and speak naturally. Bye!